Hello everyone. Today we're going to install Mac OS Mavericks on Mac OS Catalina. So let's begin. So let's click on VMware Fusion Pro. We're going to click on Add. We're going to do New. Okay. Double click on the Mac OS folder. We're going to drag and drop Maverick. We're going to click on Continue. So Maverick is, mind you, 10.7, which we did, is Lion. 10.8 is Mountain Lion. And 10.9 is what? Maverick. So here we go. Continue. I'm going to leave everything by default. Everything looks good. And finish. We're going to do a save. That's the location where we can save the file. Alright. Give it a moment. It should automatically load. Okay. So we're going to click on, or it's already selected, the language English. I'll click on. Alright. I'll click continue. Agree. That'll be the location where I'm going to install the operating system. Let's click install. And this is going to take some time. I'll be right back. Okay. So we can leave it as the United States. I'm going to keep everything by default. But my current location, United States. Continue. US. Continue. I'm not going to transfer anything. I'm not going to sign in. Don't sign in. Continue. And skip. I'm going to agree. And agree again. That's fine. Password 123. 23. I'm going to leave it as it is. That's fine. And then click continue. But let's continue. Continue. I'm going to skip. I'm not going to register this Mac. Because it's not really a Mac. It's just a virtual machine. So. And there you go. And this is how you install Mac OS Maverick on Mac OS Catalina. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.